Hey, y'all. It's Salon Diva V in the place to be, my garden. And today, y'all, I'm going to be fastening these poles into the garden beds because when the wind blows, they blow. I don't know how to do this. This ain't gonna work. This ain't gonna work.
Yes, it will. It doesn't have to be in the corner.
And the bed will have to be in the corner. You so smart. You is smart. You is impotent. But I'ma keep you. All right, y'all. Let's see. We're gonna bring y'all down so y'all can see. Y'all see how these onions is growing? Y'all can't see that, huh? Oops, I smashed my onion. But I tell you what, this ain't going nowhere. Hey. One down and a lot more to go. I don't think I'm gonna be able to get this one. Yeah. I'm gonna get all 1,300 of the other ones done, and we'll be back. Okay, so I added some, I guess it's called charcoal or wood ash. I burned some of the old plants and leaves and that I had in the yard, and I put it in this area a couple of days ago, and now I'm going to plant some of the Taiwanese long beans. Got this from downtown backyard gardening when we went to the little Texas meetup in spring. So we're gonna plant these. I usually plant cucumbers in this area, but we're gonna switch it up. Since I have the cucumbers over there, I'm gonna put a couple of these in this area. Seeds look like just regular seeds. A little bigger than most. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, and I'm trying to put them all by a post, even though that don't really matter, but that's what I'm gonna do. And 5, and then we're just gonna cover them back up. And there you have it. That is the Taiwanese long beans. And I have some broccoli growing and a bunch of Brussels sprouts. I guess it's time to harvest this. I'm not sure. is broccoli right here. Or is it cauliflower? No, that looks like broccoli. So yeah. Okay, so far we got these two done and these two done, and we got the cucumbers trellised up a little bit, but I am about to stop for the day because it is starting to rain. So yeah, but not before I harvest this lettuce right here. This is romaine lettuce, y'all, and because I have a lot, I'm just going to take both of these. Well, I might want to take this one too. And take the good parts off of here because my husband wants a salad. So yeah, we're gonna do that. Harvesting some of this lettuce and we're going in for the day. So I'm Salon Diva V in the place to be, y'all. My garden, cleaning, dropping seeds, harvesting, and yeah, getting the garden ready for groceries. Thank y'all for watching. Check me out in my other videos. I thank y'all for coming. Hit that like, hit that subscribe button. Catch me on my other social media platforms. And until I see you again, you know what it is. Peace.